Hello everybody. So today I bring you this springtime fun, very simple look because I've always done dramatic looks and I'm just like, something has to change. So don't mind my face. I'm having a very bad makeup day today. So yeah, on my lips I have on CN07. I don't know what that is. Anyway, so it's this lipstick on. And then over it, I have the NYC Riverside Romance Lip Lacquer. And yeah, it's just a lip gloss. Looks like this. Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I decided to go for some colors that were way out of my range that I usually don't use. So yeah, that's what I used, and yeah, it's pretty much fairly easy. Hello everybody. So today I am coming to you with a spring makeup tutorial featuring the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette. I'll be creating a look basically solely based on spring because even though the part of California that I'm in, like, the weather is semi bipolar, I'm still feeling the spring vibes. So I'm gonna start with doing makeup tutorials and things like that. Here, I burned myself trying to get I guess, you know, hair off my face. Warning, disclaimer, if you're going to use cream to get hair off your face, make sure you patch test your skin first. I did not do that, and I am very sensitive, so now I have burn spots here, burn spots there, and then on top of that I have acne, so it just looks absolutely horrible right now. So excuse all that mess, and put some concealer on, and I'm just using my Tarte Shape Tape concealer and a light. I don't use that as under eye no more because it is way too light for my under eyes and I am not this pale, so use a Real Techniques sponge. I want to get the body and face one, that huge, like, it's about this big, so I want to get that one, but I'm looking for my dang, it's a blot palette. What is this called? By yeah, Kick Ass. Kick Ass, you know, it's the Retouch Press Powder from Soap and Glory. Anyway, so what I've noticed is that when I use my Urban Decay Powder Potion, eyeshadow tends to skip when I'm using that. When I use concealer and then I, you know, set it with the base or whatever, like, you know, this base here, it's easier. It doesn't skip on my eyelid. And it's easy to work with. So this is what I'll be doing for the rest of the time of doing shadow. Don't really know what the deal is with that, but it sucks because now I'm just like, I don't want the Urban Decay Primer Potion no more. I've heard the MAC, you know, those little things, I forgot, Pantuli paint pots, I believe. I heard those are good, but I haven't got it yet, so yeah, I do want to try that, so we'll be looking out for that. Basically, I'm going to take this color as a transitioning color. Looks like on the pinker side, not really freaking brown, but yeah. We need to be zoomed in a little bit, I guess, you know? And I'm just going to take it and it's so windy outside. I'm just like, is somebody trying to break in my freaking apartment? Like, anyway, so I'm just gonna take that color and put it in my crease, blend it out. And just go up. Like I said, I'm doing something simple, something easy. Gotta keep that in my brain because, excuse me, I will literally go ham with eyeshadows. And I just won't even realize I went ham with the eyeshadow until my look is done. So, oh, this is called Firework. That's what I'm going to be taking, and I'm just going to take the small brush side, and I'm just going to put it in my crease. And here we go. I'm just going to put it in the crease here. Maybe I shouldn't have done it with this brush here. Oh no, okay, it looks good. If y'all can see, because I'm all out of the frame. So, I'm just gonna put it, I'm not putting it all the way up, I'm just putting it on the outer, what is this here? The outer eye, this little part right here. Not in the crease, it's somewhat in the crease, but it's really not. It's midway on your lid, but the outer lid, I think this is called the outer lid. That's how you guys know I am not a makeup artist. Like, I taught myself how to do shadow. And how to put on eyeshadow. Self-taught, y'all. Self-taught. Okay. So now, so that's what that one looks like. I'm just going to try to match. Since I have two different eye shapes. Blending brush wild. Goodness. I'm just going to take it and blend on the outskirts of this shadow. So, I'm just going to be taking it and just, basically just blending it into that crease because I don't want to blend the whole thing. I'm just going to just pick up a little bit more, to be honest. Oh Lord. Okay. I'm just gonna take it and blend it in. It's very pinky. It's called Sissy, which is, it's almost coral. It has gold reflex, coral kind of look to it. So I think I'm going to put that right next to that darker color. Let's see how that goes. Right here. I'm just going to kind of like blend it up. And I'm just basically creating a gradient effect here between two different colors, and right now I'm going for this coral here. So, like that. I'm just going to take a regular like blending brush or something and just kind of like, you know, take the other brush that I used to blend it out with, just so I can get, ooh, I got fallout galore. Look at this, galore. So, let's brush it away, because just gonna take that other brush that I like use that darker color with, and then go ahead and kind of go back and forth so I can blend it in. It's kind of like a gradient effect, you know, dark, light, and then I go to the other side. Coral. Totally coral. That's totally coral. Do you guys watch SpongeBob? I watch SpongeBob with my daughter, so it's kind of like, I watched SpongeBob too when I was little. That was my ish. Like, I don't know. Some people don't agree with kids watching SpongeBob, but I came out just fine, so. That's how it was a cartoon I was basically like raised off of. That one. I watched Family Guy too when I was younger, which I don't let my daughter watch that, but yeah. You basically like that, and then what else? I watched Two Stupid Dogs. I've watched Dexter Laboratory. I've watched dude, Powerpuff Girls. Like Scooby-Doo was my ish. Because I like scary movies. I like to get scared sometimes. Like, That was my ish, you know. So, row all the way to the left, and that's going to be cran apple. This dark color right here, if you guys can see it. Cran apple. I'm just going to pop that on the lid. Let's see how that goes. It's not bad. Like, it's not bad. I thought I was gonna hate it, but it's not bad. Pop it here. Yo, this actually looks kind of good. I like it. Now, I don't want to get too carried away here, but yeah. I'm gonna go back in with that coral color and put it right here. Because I feel like I'm missing that transition. Transition. Transaction, huh? Okay. Angled. Fuck. If I could replay that, that would be fucking awesome. Anyway, so I'm going to take this angled brush right here. And I'm going to go in and, like I said, jump out on a limb because this is about to be craziness with a side of craziness. So, I'm about to take this blue here and it has, this one has, it's like a coral blue. Odd, but anyway, it's like a coral blue or some sort. This is the color Pool Party. Take that and I'm gonna pop it under here. Just for a pop of color. And I think I'm gonna wet this because I want this extremely vibrant. And this is the Wet n Wild Fix, whatever the heck you call it. Photo focus spray. You know what I don't like? I don't like eyeshadow in my eyeball. That's what irritates me, is if I have eyeshadow in my eyeball. Ugh, most annoying thing on earth. Like, I'm like, what is life? Why are you in my eyeball? Get out of there. So. So now, I got my pop of color on because I'm feeling extremely spring-like. I'm going to put down, what are you called? Obsessed. I'm going to put down Obsessed right here. Yep. I'm going to be using a small brush here. Small, I think it's a lip brush, but I mean, I have small eyes, so I need this, you know? I'm just going to take it and highlight my inner corner. Like so. If y'all can see. Sorry I'm cutting you guys out here. Yeah. I don't know what you want to call this, but I feel like spring vibes, so you know, I'm just gonna put on my face what I feel. I feel happy right now, so I mean, besides the point of me not really feeling good today, I want to make myself feel good, so yeah. Alright, so this looks like jet black eyeliner. And line. With eyeliner, it seems like the whole look comes together. I don't know about you guys, but that's how I feel. Like, if I don't have eyeliner with my bold looks, I am screwed. So, I'm just gonna tight line as well. So I'm gonna close my eye and go in. Whoop! Eyeliner got way too far down on my blue shadow, so I had to go back in and make it more vibrant. Okay, so now the Becca under eye brightening corrector. Looks like this. Yeah, seen it before. I got it in a box. Thank you, influencer, for that. So yeah. You wear Wet n Wild to make a lash last mascara, and I'm just gonna put some on. Okay, so this is the makeup look right here. Very light.